And there has been tons of research on this. I know that there's a lot of things on the internet. There has been tons of research. National Cancer Society, World Health Organization, others that have done extensive research on this. They've even related this technology and the emission to that of a baby monitor and microwave.
Okay. Baby monitor and microwave, perfectly safe, right? She talks about them as if they're safe. Let me show you what they do. Okay, I'm going to turn my microwave on. This is a reading at my house right now. That hum you hear is a cell phone tower in the distance, okay? Now, I'm going to turn my microwave on. Watch this. Don't remember how to use it because I don't use it anymore. Watch this. Perfectly safe, right? I'll be walking to the back of my house. All the way in the back of my house. There's no safe place to be in the house with the microwave going. Which is why I disconnected it. Okay? Alright, that's the microwave. Now, I'm going to show you what a baby monitor does. Hold on while I plug it in. That's a baby monitor. See that? Your baby could be laying next to that. Don't use these things. Perfectly safe, like she said, right? Perfectly safe.